This is a really busy area. A lot of the Kansas City public travel through this area, so having the roads look nice and smooth, I think is just important for the city, as you know, overall.
We bid on anything from state jobs like we're doing here on I-670, anywhere down to a driveway for smaller commercial businesses. We're across the board, big and small.
People that are doing the work for you, they're our best asset, and we're very proud of our workforce. We have a lot of guys that have been here for 20, 30 years. Generally, the guys that come to work for us make it a career. That's super important. It helps bring up the younger guys. When we're going from generation to generation, it's really important to have that expertise of people that have been doing it forever to teach the younger generations. We have 5 1055 pavers and then a spray paver, and then we have an 8-foot 655 paver, 5 milling machines, and then all the support equipment goes along with it. We've had a great experience with the CAT equipment that we have. For us, it's about the overall lifetime cost of the machine. We've found that overall cost very, very competitive, and not to mention the fact that it allows you to do high quality work. With each newer model, we get better and better.
The production rate actually will increase because the machines are more efficient, fuel efficiency has gone up, productivity has gone up. It's a very precise machine. The technology from the average beam that hang out there today to the old contact beams are just night and day. It's fantastic. We can go and we can run 45 feet a minute and we virtually have no bumps. It's user friendly, durable. All in all, it's a good product to use.
The maintenance on the CAT pavers we found have been fairly low maintenance costs, more uptime for our crews, and that's one of the reasons we've chosen to go with the CAT pavers.
Uptime on our Caterpillar pavers is about 98%. We have very little downtime. When they come from the factory, they're put together very well. There's very few items that we even have to think about adjusting. They've really got us ground guys in mind when they put this thing together. We took off 1.5 inches off the surface lift. We're going to replace it back with 1.5 inches. We'll be running 10 trucks. We're probably running about 250 to 275 ton an hour. But once we get on the main pulls where we're pulling straight 12-foot lanes, it'll bump back up to 275, possibly 300 ton an hour. When it comes out of the plant, you're probably touching about 350 degrees on the top side, middle of the load. Once it's laid down and it comes through our transfer machine, you're probably looking at about 325 to 320. By the time it comes through the paver, our new F-Series Caterpillar paver, it's probably running about 310 to 315. The paving width for the lanes that we're typically going to pave per pass will be 12 foot. Against the barrier wall, we do have a variance anywhere from 8 to 14. We try to finish at about 180 with the oscillating roller. It's going to give you more of a kneading effect rather than just an amplitude punch straight through the mat. Kudos to CAT putting out the F-Series and the E-Series pavers with the noise reductions that they put on them, so that helps us out tremendously. It's been a good marriage between Caterpillar's equipment and the companies that come in with your product and help us train on it.
One of the major reasons we buy a lot of Caterpillar equipment is because of the quality. We want to buy the equipment that can do the work that we need.
It's a fantastic product. It's head to toe, strong and reliable. As the progression of machines and technology moves along, Caterpillar seems to be the one that keeps advancing for the workman, the guy on the ground.